look at the tasks of public human resource management. All civil service systems are not equal, but the national government arrangement serves as an illustrative model for most merit personnel systems. Many state arrangements, among the nearly 40 states that have merit systems, closely resemble the national government format with some variation. About 90% of all national executive branch employees are currently covered by some merit system. Most are under the system administered by the Office of Personnel Management known as OPM, which replaced the Civil Service Commission in 1979. OPM operates under general presidential direction. They're responsible for managing the national government personnel system consistent with presidential personnel policy. The proportion of national executive employees working within competitive merit systems has risen steadily from about 10% in 1884 to over 90% for the first time during the 1970s. Partly in response to prodding from the national government, state governments have gradually extended or established merit systems in their executive branches. Congress requires states to organize merit pay systems in single state agencies designated as grant and aid recipients. The tremendous proliferation of grants has thus had a spin off effect of strengthening merit principles in state government. The Intergovernmental Personnel Act, IPA, of 1970 greatly reinforced that requirement. Most states now have many merit features built into their personnel arrangements. Local governments have been similarly affected, but to a lesser extent. The system of classifying positions is central to any personnel structuring. In the national government, jobs are classified according to 10 grades or levels that make up the general schedule known as the GS. The general schedule is the pay scale for federal employees based on grades and steps. At the top of the personnel structure is the executive schedule, occupied by the highest ranking career officials, those who interact on a regular basis with politically appointed administrators. Approximately 6,700 SES executives are eligible for performance bonuses with their pay grades, and in 2010, top pay was limited by Congress to $179,700 annually. The formal tasks of personnel administration have traditionally included position classification, recruitment, examination, selection, and compensation. More recently, management of complex organizations has become more challenging. Administrators, including personnel administrators, have had to become better grounded in activities such as human resource planning, employee training, and labor relations.